In the heart of the Appalachian Mountains, hidden amidst the dense foliage and whispered legends, lies the Institute of Ecliptic Studies, a place where the boundary between the living and the dead blurs into an unsettling haze. Once a bastion of academic pursuit, it now stands as a monument to the horrors that lurk beyond the veil of reality. The Institute's origins are steeped in mystery, its construction rumored to have been guided by dark forces long forgotten. Over the centuries, it has housed countless scholars and seekers, drawn by the promise of unraveling the secrets of the cosmos. But with each passing generation, whispers of inexplicable phenomena grew louder, until the very walls of the Institute seemed to pulse with an otherworldly energy. Among the tales whispered in hushed tones by the locals is the story of Professor Elias Blackwood, a brilliant mind consumed by his obsession with the occult. It is said that Blackwood's research led him to uncover ancient texts and forbidden rituals, unlocking doors that should have remained firmly closed. In his pursuit of knowledge, he delved deeper into the darkness, heedless of the consequences. As the years passed, the Institute became a place of dread, its halls haunted by the restless spirits of those who had dared to peer beyond the veil. Shadows danced along the walls, and strange whispers echoed through the empty corridors, driving those who heard them to the brink of madness. Despite the warnings, a group of intrepid students, led by the enigmatic Rebecca Hawthorne, embarked on a journey to uncover the truth behind the Institute's sinister reputation. Armed with little more than their courage and a handful of dusty tomes, they ventured into the heart of the darkness, unaware of the horrors that awaited them. From the moment they set foot inside the Institute, they knew they were not alone. The air was heavy with the scent of decay, and a chill wind whispered through the halls, carrying with it the anguished cries of the damned. Shadows clung to the walls like living things, twisting and writhing in the dim light. As they delved deeper into the Institute's secrets, they uncovered a labyrinth of hidden chambers and forgotten passages, each more foreboding than the last. Strange symbols adorned the walls, and arcane artifacts littered the floor, a testament to the twisted experiments that had taken place within those walls. But it was when they stumbled upon the sanctum of Professor Blackwood that they realized the true extent of the Institute's malevolence. The room was bathed in an eerie glow, and the air crackled with dark energy. At the center of it all stood a towering obelisk, its surface etched with ancient runes and sigils. With mounting horror, they watched as the obelisk began to pulse with a sickly light, casting long shadows that danced across the room. And as they gazed upon its unholy form, they felt a presence stirring in the darkness, a presence that hungered for their souls. Desperate to escape, they fled deeper into the Institute, pursued by unseen forces that sought to drag them into the abyss. But no matter how far they ran, the darkness followed, swallowing them whole and consigning them to a fate worse than death. And so, the Institute of Ecliptic Studies remains a place of dread, its secrets buried beneath layers of dust and decay. But the shadows that lurk within its walls are patient, biding their time until another unwitting soul dare.
Dear viewers, if you like to watch this kind of stories, do subscribe, like and share our channel. Thank you.